Hi, in this tutorial, we will review how to monitor outputs on a NetAXS 123 panel. Begin by logging into the web user interface using Google Chrome. Once on the dashboard, locate the menu icon on the top left corner and then hit Device Management. By default, it will appear as Space and Doors. We need auxiliary connections. Since we want outputs, you will have to move them first to the Outputs tab. Here, you can see the current state, which is de-energized for each one of the auxiliary outputs. If needed, you can leave that energized or pulse it. Also, if you happen to have any output groups, this is the place where you can come and see the current status of the group.
For more information and videos, please visit our webpage https://honeywelldiscovertraining.com.